Qatar 3 Golf Charlie.
Sorry, 3 Golf Charlie 8 man, we are clear to land 23 right, wind 280 degrees, 16.
Copy that, clear for long, Qatar 3 Golf Charlie.
Hi, Sir 52 Tango Manchester, thank you. ILS runway 23 right, descend flight level 70, there's no delay.
I told that Mike 1 is contact tower 11830 for Mike. 183 Mike 1 ready to.
Easy 54 Hank Golf, ready to.
What's our flash message? Give out Tango 1 enter 23 Mike.
Looking at the door, we've got an alarm system which would have alerted the engineers, and it's leading to go on.
Kilo, taxi to hold point Mike 1. Taxi hold point Mike 1, 33 kilo.
Hi there, 52 Tango, I'll give you lower in about 6 miles.
Right there. Right, right, 63, Tango Hotel.
Easy 1827, on the landing 737, line 1, line up and wind 23 right behind.
97 X-ray delivery, roger, opposition and continental ground 121.855. Opposition ground 121.855, Channel 97X. Ground hello, Channel 97 X-ray, 97 X-ray ground, stand 24, start the cruise. Start cruise, stand 34, Channel 97X. 3368 kilo, hold at Mike 1, contact tower 118.
187, 23 right, take off, 280 on 1. Sorry, 3 Golf Charlie, behind the right end indication on the right, so continue left on 2 hours.
Come on, behind the 7 Harry. Sorry, 3 Golf
Charlie, contact ground 121.855. 54 Hotel Zulu, line Mike 1, line up and wait 23 right.
Line Mike 1, line away 23 right, easy 1 to 3 Golf Charlie, ground, good afternoon. You'll be parking on stand 204, continue Alpha and Delta to hold at Delta. That's 5-1 for us. 3 Tango Hotel, expert stand 5-1, so right there via Kilo and Juliet. Yep, thanks, stand 5-1, this is when we call this for stand 22, clearance PDC, QNH 1011, expect the pole 5 Romeo, fully ready. Yep, Avian 4608 delivery thanks, and that'll check, she's just going to be blocked in initially, so hold position, monitor me on ground 121855, I'll call you short. Position and monitor on 121855, scan the name 4608. Right, 23 Mike delivery, roger, you are clear for talk on an X-Lab 1 Romeo departure, squawk 1464. Clear call, X-Lab 1 Romeo departure, squawk Correct, brakes to carry 3 Golf Charlie, continue your touch right, well, Taxi up to Papa, then it's Kilo Juliet, hold at Mike 1. Papa, Kilo Juliet, hold Mike 1, ATC 59 for Golf.
Tango, descent to altitude 3,000 feet, turn right heading 210 degrees, report localized and established, TC right.
Yes, 3000 heading 210, so you established on TC right, 05 Tango.
The stand by 1 Roman departure there, and here 5 Quebec Beach. Quebec, thank you. Hold position, continental ground 121.855. 1855, run here 5 Quebec Beach, bye. 5 Quebec Beach, or 1065 left, request to push a start. 5 Quebec Beach, ground 55 left, push start approved, release behind Golf 3. Release behind Golf 3, push start approved, and run 5 Quebec Beach.
Background 121.85. 118.55.
Stand 54, taxi there by Bravo, Kilo and Juliet.
Bravo, Kilo, Juliet, descend 94 kilometers fast. And I share 5% of locality 7.
Hi, 5 Tango, thank you. Clear the brakes, contact the tower 118, decimal 6.